What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Chris. Today I got my first unboxing for you all from snapbackhats.com. 2 snapbacks and then 1 shirt. So yeah, it's actually already open, but yeah, I didn't open it throughout yet, so I'm gonna open it right now. Yeah, I got the Los Angeles Raiders snapback. Gray, black, green brim right there. Yeah, it's really cool, dope. Yeah, I got this one, Chicago Bulls, right there. I got this for like $21.95. So check your channel, snapbackhats.com with the Z. And also I got this shirt from them. I got this actually for free, but yeah, it's free. If you order like snapback, then you get like free shirt or glasses. You can pick either one. So anyways, it says YOLO. You only live once. You know what I'm saying? So check your website, guys. I can get free gifts and something like that, but yeah, that's about it. I got these 2 snapbacks and then this shirt. So yeah, subscribe for more pickups and unboxing. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.